The Food and Drug Administration is giving the green light to U of A researchers agreeing to fast-track a new anti-valley fever drug. Researchers say Nicomycin Z has the potential to do something that other valley fever drugs cannot: cure it. Not in Your Sides, Corey Marshall joins us live in studio.
Yeah, Guy, the okay by the FDA is just the next step in this lengthy process. The U of A purchased the patent in 2005 and, simply put, when no one else would.
Soon there could be a new drug on the market with the capacity to cure valley fever. Recently, the FDA gave the go-ahead to University of Arizona researchers to fast-track the antifungal drug Nicomycin Z. It's a move in the right direction for researchers in a state that sees an estimated 2/3 of the nation's valley fever cases.
I think it has the potential of really changing this disease.
Dr. John Galgiani is the director of UA Valley Fever Center for Excellence.
The current drugs don't cure this disease. They're valuable, we're glad to have them, but they basically put the fungus to sleep rather than eradicating it. And we hope that Nicomycin might change that and actually cure things.
Nicomycin Z lay dormant for years. U of A researchers say pharmaceutical companies didn't want to touch it because while it can have powerful effects on treating valley fever, that's only one ailment. It doesn't have widespread treatment possibilities, meaning pharmaceutical companies wouldn't be bringing in the big bucks.
Up until now, Nic Z has been used in pre-clinical trials with dogs. Doctors are already seeing promising results.
The dogs improved.
Associate Research Professor Dr. Lisa Schubitz says during the course of the clinical studies, 75% of the dogs treated saw a reduction or complete elimination of the disease. What's more, there were virtually no side effects.
The hugest impact of valley fever on animals is in central and southern Arizona, so we should care a lot whether or not this drug makes it to market.
Researchers hope to have Nic Z on the market in 5 years, although they still have a ways to go before FDA approval. The next step is clinical trials for humans.
Now, researchers say in order to meet that 5-year timeline, they need more funding. Now, when the drug hits the market, it won't be labeled for use in pets, but vets will have access to treat the drug or use the drug in animals. The FDA fast track comes on the heels of fluconazole prices skyrocketing. That's a drug commonly used to treat valley fever in pets and people. Guy.
Thanks, Corey.